Grab your coffee, here's your pre-market explainer with everything you need before the opening bell rings. Boom! A brutal 500-pip plunge in USD JPY. The Japanese yen just woke up and chose absolute violence against dollar bulls. Smashing that 160 psychological barrier triggered a massive suspected Ministry of Finance intervention, violently slamming the pair down to 155. Tokyo is waging all-out war on speculators. But history tells us, these dramatic interventions usually just buy them temporary time. Here's the playbook. The Ministry of Finance orders the hit, and the Bank of Japan aggressively burns finite dollar reserves. The finance minister just issued a 24-hour warning, guys. Keep your yen pairs on an incredibly tight leash today. So why is the yen so desperately weak anyway? It all traces back to this massive, undeniable macro ripple effect. Geopolitics are boiling over. Strait of Hormuz threats sent crude surging to 126 before settling near 105. Watch energy today. That wildly expensive oil just pushed U.S. inflation to a sticky 3.3%. The Fed's nightmare is your trading playground. This gaping yield spread between the U.S. and Japan is exactly what's crushing the yen. The carry trade survives. Shifting gears to equities, we've got a total bloodbath of divergences in big tech earnings to trade this morning. AI spending hit $725 billion. Alphabet calls are printing money, while Meta investors are literally crying into their VR headsets. Beyond earnings, today marks a truly historic, tectonic changing of the guard across the entire global financial matrix. The Titans are retiring. Tim Cook hands Apple to John Turnus, and Warren Buffett finally passes Berkshire's legendary baton. Plus, Kevin Warsh is tapped to replace Powell at the Fed. Brace your bond portfolios for aggressively hawkish monetary policy. Finally, massive shockwaves in global trade. It looks like OPEC just suffered a highly dramatic reality TV-level public breakup. The UAE exits OPEC after 60 years. Short oil cartels? Meanwhile, China entirely scrapped tariffs for all African nations. Bringing it back to today's top trade, Japan's intervention chart reveals a clear, bloody battle line drawn exactly at 155. Can the ministry actually hold 155, or will speculators break the bank? Trade smart and subscribe for tomorrow's Market Explainer.